Welcome back to another video with the Detroit Science Guy. Today we will talk about the Lomographa moth. It belongs to the Geometridae family and can be recognized by the common names gray spring moth or white spring moth. This species is native to Japan, China, Taiwan, North America, India, and Europe. Its color is white and it sometimes have black, gray, or bluish fringes, lines, or patterns in their wings. Their native habitat are grasslands, forests, mountains, and more. A Lomographa's diet consists of woody tree species, leaves, tree sap, and berries.